Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner from Inte.Team. Guys, I would like to present a new app which we've got because our team need to learn how to use it. This is not a permanent solution, this is something temp solution because we are building version 2.0 of Book Repair Online, and Book Repair Online is a great software created by our team, but we need to improve it, so it's coded from scratch while we speak in the better technology and more scalable. Okay, so it will get there eventually, but for now we just finishing stage number 1, and then we will be testing stage number 1, and the stage number 2, once finished, will allow us to switch from Book Repair Online 1 to 2 and start to use features over there instead. Whereas some of the features we use in all total of 7 apps, and my goal was to create a CRM which will allow us as a team of customer support technicians, repair shop managers, and later admin team as well, to have an app which can serve our customers better. Okay, so this is just an addition, CRM addition to Book Repair Online. Now, what we can do in this app is, here you've got profile. Okay, so you can see you can switch in between light and dark. I'll show on the dark because I like dark. You can you've got I won't show you the manager part only because there are users. Okay, so I don't want the users to be shown because that's my email. I don't mind. Yes, but you know, our team emails I do mind. Okay, I don't want to show. So you can manage the users, you can manage the branches. Repair shop manager can manage branches, can add new branches, create new branches, and can edit branches and delete the branches. Okay, if there is no active tickets. If so, they are designated to different branch manager, so it's safe. Yes, so the same is when you will remove a user, automatically the manager of the repair shop gets all the things saved in their name, so all the tasks, all the tickets, everything will be designated to that manager. Yes, so it's okay to use. Now there is a URL which allows your customers to book tickets. Okay, now the ticket has basic information, so who's the customer, created, problem, priority, title, based on our booking ID inside Bro. You can move it to archive or you can display details. Now if you're a customer support, you've got this tab customer available, whereas if you are just a technician, you don't have, you've got only details, and that's normal. Okay, so that's okay. Now this ticket ID can be used later in the tasks. Okay, archive tickets are done as a data table. Yes, it's just easier. You've got drop down menu here, you've got next, previous, and so on. Now in the tasks you can create a new task from the ticket, so it's easy to manage. Yes, now you can put title, description, you can set deadline, of course, and you can create task. You can change the columns names, you can add new columns. Now inside the task, when you've got details, if you want to go to, I've made it not just anywhere. Here you can't click and access it. Why? To not over click it. Yes, see, only on the edges like here, and only on the edges here you can click it, and then it will open your details, which is safer because sometimes when you can click just anywhere, you can over click. I've done it, and that's why I know it. So I've limited the space where you can click and open the details. Now it's not only details, it's checklist as well. So then you can click and click, you can add new items in the checklist. So it's good when you do something, and then when you need to assign someone, you just put add, and then you pick up the person. Yes, and then they will have notification in the bell right top corner. You can assign as well to someone, not only mention them. I don't remember if I add mention here as well. No, I did not mention in the comments. So you need to mention them in the details. Yes, if you want to mention someone else, not only assign to. And then that person, when dealt with, so there is a checklist, and when that person has done it, or in the description, can then from update require can drag it, yes, to, let's say, to do, yes. So then it's an okay, I don't remember which one it was. I think it was this. So anyways, so when it's done, yes, when it's done, then customer support see to do, and they can do something what they need. Yes, so it's much easier. So pretty much the task has been created, and the task, let's say it's this orange one, and to change the color of the orange one, you've got 3 dots, and you click on the dots and you can set color. You can copy task as well, or archive. And when you are attached, as here, for instance, you click on it, you read what has to be done. You can leave comments like my comment, yes, add comment, okay, and then it's written who add the comment, when add comment, and the time, and the comment, just description, yes, like the comment itself. Or if there is a checklist to do, there is a checklist as well, yes, so that depends what's written, and then the technician can drag it and drop it to do. Now the thing is that you don't have to drag it. If you are on the mobile devices, you can click inside it and you can just move it to do here, so it's much easier to work on the mobile devices. Yes, that's up to you how you want to do it, but this way, this way it's much easier. Then we've got email as well. No, I've got a call. Hold on a second. So yes, I'm still working on it. Yes, so that means you can receive emails, you can send emails, you can literally reply to emails. I still need to add mark as spam because it's not doing anything. You've got different view as well, so you can get plain text or web view. That's that's up to you how you wanna see it. Depend on the email received from the person. I'm working on mark as unread because it's already working. Sorry, so that was I thought I didn't fix it, and actually it's working. Sorry, so on the dev environment it's not working. Here it's already working. I thought I've got one bug to do. But anyways, so there are still features which need to be done. But in general, it's working. We can receive emails to support at Inte.Team, so that is fine. And I'm working now at the moment on management, so that was a problem, and probably when I'll click it, it will be a problem. Oh no, actually look, again, on dev environment it's not working because it was working and I thought it won't work here. So in categories, you've got categories and subcategories. Then you've got products. You can add new product with location, quantity, description. I will add supplier as well and other features, and then location, and you can merge the product with location. You see, that's what I said. I need to work on it. As this is still work in progress, so I thought it will break quicker, but it turns out that it's not. It's actually not that bad. Broxbourne, yeah, okay, so you see branches, but you don't see the users. Okay, so branch, select branch, Livingston. So you see, it's not that bad. It's really nice software, and I love it. Of course, it's not ideal. Of course, it's not our end solution. We will still use our web dev team. We will still use their solution, but before we will get there, this will help us to transition because we want to scale up now. Yes, the first branch in Livingston is up and running great. The second branch in Show is learning, and they've got first jobs because they practice for some time with us, and Adrian is over a year, I think, with us, if not longer. So we want to move on. Now, yes, I will add more features here. Yes, definitely. And if somebody is renting from us, book repair online, they can have this software as well. Yes, so that's really helpful software. and the only thing is that I need to change the email, because here email is only for Inte.Team. Yeah, so if somebody is renting from us software and the business is not Inte.Team, they are not our Inte.Team business, then they can't have access to our email, and that only what will need to be changed. The rest can be used by anyone. Anyways, guys, I thought I will share it with you, because we've got technicians joining and they need to know how to work with the software, so we need to show it to them as well. I will, within the next week, I will try to remove the rest of the bugs and add the rest of the features as well, but I need to add one small place so that I can do the tasks for myself later, which stuff is not working, and our team can add the problem. Yeah, so if they find some problem and they can't work without it, that will be dealt with first, and then when the problem won't be so much important, it will be as a lower priority. Yeah, so high priority and regular priority will be so that anybody can report any problem with the app. That's it. That's everything. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.